Hi, my name is Fiverita Suhu, and this is my WDD 330 final project, the Events Planning Hub. In this short video, I will show you the features, how it works, and highlight some of the JavaScript, API, and CSS work I did. So the first thing, first I am going to run my local host. Alright, so there we have it. Okay, so here's my local host. This is the home page, and this is the vendor's card loaded from our API. As you can see, it has this animation that when I click on it, you see it hovers. You see? So when I click on it, it expands, and when I click on it, it collapses. When I click on it, that's how the rest works. So here, this visit profile, when I click on it, it takes me to the exact vendor's website page. You can see. You can see that's how the rest works also. Yeah, so it's connected to the exact vendor's page. So this is the search page. As you can see on the search page, when I try to search for a vendor by name or by category, I'm going to try to search a vendor by category. Let's say photography. So I'm looking for vendors in the photography section. As you can see, it brought out this. Let me try another category. Let me say catering. As you can see, it says error loading vendors, please try again, because the catering spelling isn't correct. Now I'm going to put the correct spelling. As you can see, it brought out the vendor in catering. So let me search vendors by name. Let me say Tasty Bites. So you can see it brought out a vendor with the name Tasty Bites. So the next thing I want to test is the ratings. So if I say show me vendors with 4-star ratings, you see it brings out the vendors with 4-star ratings. When you open the details, you can see the ratings. 4.9, 4.7, 4.6. Show me vendors with 5-star ratings. As you can see, it brought out the vendor with over, like that's 8.8 stars. Exactly. So I want to test the sorts by. So if I say sort out names A to Z, you can see it brings out the names accordingly. You can see Cakes, DJ, Elizabeth, okay? And if I say show me prices from low price to high price, you can see it brings out the vendor with the lowest price, that's 200. And you see this one has 489, and you can see the highest price, if I scroll down, has $1,000. Okay, so now I'm going to walk you through the codes. Alright, so now I'm going to walk you through the codes. This is my index.html, which displays the homepage with the vendors list. This is my search.html, which dedicates the search page with filters and live results. So I'm going to go to my JavaScript modules. So this is my vendor details that displays the template and logic for rendering vendor cards and handling the expand and collapse animation. So this is my API service that handles all my API calls. So as you can see right here, it handles my API calls. That's the vendors list and the search vendors. This is my utils. It is a helper function. It renders the list and the load header and footer and the rest of it. And this is my search.js. It controls the search page interactions and the rendering, as you can see right here. And this is my main page, which controls the HTML vendor loading. This is my CSS file. This is my CSS file, as you can see right here. It's quite a lot. And this is the search.js. It runs when the page loads. And yeah, that's basically all. This API services here, it handles all the API requests to the mockapi.io with the correct headers. As you can see right here, this function, it's like builds a query string based on the search filters and then fetch filtered data for us. And yeah, that's basically all. So this project really helped me to improve my API integration, modular JavaScript, and debugging skills. All the code is available on GitHub, and the project is deployed for public access. Thank you for watching. But lastly, I would just like to show you how it looks like on the deployed app. So this I deployed it on Netlify. So this is how it looks on the deployed app. You can see it works the exact same way also, and it works with mobile and desktop. You see it works the exact same way also. It does the same thing. Quickly go to the search page, so you can see it does the same thing. It works the same way also. Yeah, you can see it brought out the flower page. So it works perfectly on my Netlify. Thank you.